Now CPR.
Can you get? Can you?
Yes, I don't know how to
Let me know when you're here.
Oh my God.
Stay here. Bring them.
We are privileged to have a lot of support in Beth Israel for simulation-based training. We have a lot of high-tech gear that allows us to walk and run simulations in the OR and outside of the OR. What we did here is, I would call it a boutique course for physicians who are interested not only in simulation as participants, but to be able to go back and implement new things in their own hospitals. This course is very special because everybody here has some experience and they all came to brush up, understand new concepts, learn about implementation, learn about research, and get a lot of hands-on experience in running simulation themselves.
First of all, this experience exceeds my expectation like by miles. In terms of new technologies, I learned how to do a new technique called RCDP, just a stop and go kind of technique. In terms of like machine technology, I was able to see a few things here that I don't have in Brazil. For example, the ultrasound simulator.
I think this is an amazing project. I think that the fact that Mindray is helping physicians get here and gain access to this knowledge, with our help, we will support them moving forward. I think this is an opportunity to improve patient safety.
Since the first day, many new ideas are just like flying through my mind, either to apply in Canada and also to apply in the simulation center in Brazil. With the things that we learn here, we can also create new little workshops that can help people in Brazil as well. For me, it was just a dream come true.
So after implementing this so successfully in this session, I really expect this to go on with future courses. More physicians coming in, more physicians hearing about this, more physicians interested in implementing simulation in their environments or improving how they work with simulation there. And our dream is to create a big network of people cooperating all over the world, running simulation and research together. And we offer the support to them.